Very warm welcome. Let us take a look at a full organization of a course. I'm taking you to this course particularly welcome. This is a welcome message. Welcome to data structure. I'm going to show you how do you create such layout. Generally, every course, when you see the organization, there is a course general information. You can actually upload different links here. You can connect different books. This is a course outline. Based on your course outline, actually you are creating this course general information. Here your course code, the description of the course. You have a course learning outcome very clearly defined. You have your name, detail, your email, your Google Calendar link. You can actually assign different books. These all books are actually coming from Google Drive. So you have a drive where you kept all the items. I'm going to show you how do you do it in a different presentation, course objective. Then you write down your assessment plan clearly. Student knows clearly how you're going to assess it. And these are the reference books, and if any tools you are using in the particular course, you also provide those links online. You have this student prefect which helps you actually in the course, and generally I always take student prefect, senior students with good grades in the same course. They actually work with the teacher to help students learn better, and they get recognition and certificate. So we are doing the same here. We provide the links, which is Google Meet link is better because you definitely don't change the link in every class. And once the student know the link, generally they follow the same link to join the class. Academic honesty part is very, very important, and you ensure that it is clearly spelled out. You have the course outline, which is PDF file, they can download it. You have the academic calendar connected. But all these are actually coming from your Google Drive link. And I'm going to show you how do you do it. You have the announcements generally and your attendance here of the class. How the weeks are organized. You see every week there is a date written because it is according to the academic calendar and the class dates. These two particular dates, we have this discussion, lesson 1 and lesson 2. And these are actually videos coming from YouTube channel created for my own personal consumption. It is my own video. And why data structure is important and discussion on basics. These are all actually PDF materials. In the class, whatever discussion we do, it is actually linked here date-wise. Student can review those videos. It is very important. Why? Because if a student misses a class, they can actually come in this platform and see the video. This is a huge effort we have to give in order to ensure that students are learning. This is very, very important. If same goes with week 2, it is entirely organized based on the course outline. So your course outline must be defined in such a way that you can actually have your this particular hybrid learning management system is well organized. Every item actually is numbered. For example, 2.1 means the first item of the second week. Why it is 2.1? Because you can introduce badge that introduces gamification in the platform. And gamification is very important for online learning. You can introduce badge, and I will actually show you the other things over the different videos. So these are the materials you can see. You have actually anytime the team sample project, they can understand how to do project from Google side. These are actually previous sample projects for the students to see and learn. And then discussions are connected. See, the weeks are organized in this way, and you have different links, different items, the team's project presentation, the concept presentation is also recorded here, and you have actually date-wise contents are organized. And you can understand that you have a dummy class test. Why? Because a student can give test in this platform to learn how to give the test. And so they actually develop confidence. One thing I must tell you, this platform ensures that you do not have any kind of copy. It is highly randomized. You can have all kinds of assessment. Week 5, you can see again, it is the first class test 1, and then the same way organized class test 1, what time it opens, what time it closes. And you can understand that it is happening at the class time and students are attending the class test. It is highly randomized. Absolutely, you can have question bank. Question comes from the question bank and it is entirely random. It is guaranteed that a student has a very less amount of time to share and copy. So this is actually how it is organized, the entire contents, interactive contents, and I will show you how you design actually interactive contents. It's quite interesting. This is actually midterm, so you can see the midterm opens and closes. This is the rules for the midterm, and you can have actually different assessments, different things created on this platform. So this is a very robust platform to ensure that your class is not only fun but also learn at the same time. And perhaps with this I will actually take you to the another item where you try to have your first hand creation of a course in such a structural form. So thank you for watching, and I hope you keep enjoying it.